Hi there, friends. My name is Timmy, and welcome to my farm. Today, I'm going to show you some of the animals that live here with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Look! These are my chickens. They go cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens lay eggs that we can eat for breakfast. Say hi to the chickens. And this is Daisy the cow. She goes moo, moo. Daisy gives us milk to drink. Milk is good for making strong bones. Can you say moo like Daisy? Here is Percy the pig. Pigs go oink, oink, oink. Percy loves to roll in the mud and play. Pigs are very smart animals. Let's all say oink together. This is Charlie the horse. Horses go neigh, neigh. Charlie helps us on the farm and loves to run fast. Let's all neigh like Charlie. And finally, meet Sally the sheep. She goes baa, baa. Sally gives us wool that we use to make warm clothes. Sheep have soft, fluffy wool. Can you say baa? Bah! That's all for today, friends. I hope you had fun meeting my farm animals. Remember, animals are our friends and we should take good care of them. See you next time. Bye bye.